Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to send a WhatsApp message directly from HubSpot in just a few simple steps. First, click on the CRM button in the main menu of your HubSpot dashboard. Next, head over to the Contacts section where all your contacts are listed. Now, select the contact you want to message. Here, you'll see a WhatsApp icon next to the contact's communication options. Click on that. Once the WhatsApp window opens, you can add attachments like images, videos, or anything. Select the sender number from the available options. After composing your message, hit the Send button. That's it! Finally, click Go to WhatsApp to recheck the message on WhatsApp. This integration makes it super easy to communicate with your contacts without leaving HubSpot. It saves you time and streamlines your workflow. So in this video, you have learned how to send WhatsApp messages from your HubSpot dashboard. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you need anything else.